How to use Steam Link application on phone. To use the Steam Link application on phone, first of all, you have to prepare your host computer. Open the Steam application on your desktop, then click the Steam in the top left corner and open the settings. Click on the Remote Play tab in the left-hand sidebar menu and toggle on the switch next to Enable Remote Play option. Keep your PC turned on and ensure Steam stays open. Now you simply have to launch the Steam application on your mobile device and then open the application and tap the Get Started option. Select whether you want to connect a physical controller via Bluetooth or use the built-in touch controls. Pair your phone to the PC by simply tapping on the PC name in the screen once it appears. Tap on your PC's name once it appears on the screen. And if you don't find it, you simply have to tap the other computer to generate 4-digit PIN code and link or pair your phone to your PC. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.